Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a cooking and cleaning with me. One of the easiest ways that you can incorporate more vegetables into your diet is by simply making a stir fry. So today I'm going to be cooking a cabbage, broccoli, and chicken stir fry, and then pairing that with some sweet potato fries because I love sweet potato fries. So today's recipe is very easy, low carb, and very healthy. So perfect for anybody who is trying to lose weight or simply just trying to be healthy. And then of course I am going to be cleaning up the kitchen because any cook knows that it can get a bit messy in the kitchen after cooking. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I would love to have you subscribe and make sure to hit the bell notification so you never miss out on a future video. I make new videos twice a week, so there's always something new to watch. But if you guys would like to see an easy, low carb recipe, then please keep watching. While the oven is preheating, I start off by peeling all of the sweet potatoes, and then I go in and start cutting them up into strips. Now, do keep in mind that while the sweet potatoes do cook, they are going to shrivel down a little bit, so you don't want to make the strips too skinny. Now it's time to season them, and I always start off by throwing on some olive oil on top, and then I grab a bunch of different seasonings to add on top. Really guys, you can add whatever you want, but I decided to go in with some garlic, cumin, chili powder, and this garlic pepper seasoning. Toss that all up, and then I go in with a cookie sheet, and I always tend to lay down some tin foil. It just makes the whole cleanup process a lot easier at the end. And because I had so many sweet potato fries, I decided to grab another cookie sheet so that everything could cook evenly. Popping that into the oven, and now it's time to tackle the chicken for our cabbage stir fry. And I decided to go with this garlic seasoning. Surprise, surprise, guys, I love garlic. And I put some olive oil into the pan and just let the chicken cook down as well. And then I'm going to tackle the dishes in the sink. Comment down below and let me know if you guys are one who like to clean up as you cook, or do you save all of your dishes and clean for the end? Now for the stir fry, I'm peeling off the cabbage leaves. I find it's a lot easier to cut them up, and then I cut them up into tiny little strips. I'm also going to cut and peel a red onion, and in a saucepan add some more olive oil and of course garlic, and I'm going to add in the chopped up onions and let that wilt down a bit. By now it's time to add in the cabbage, and then I also picked up some shredded carrots, which I added on top as well, and then just making sure to stir all of that around. By this time, the sweet potatoes are finished, so I'm taking those out of the oven so that they can cool. And then I'm going to add in this teriyaki sauce because it is a stir fry, so you definitely need some teriyaki sauce. I decided to go with this instead of some soy sauce just to add a little bit of flavor. So this is how everything turned out. The stir fry tasted so good. I definitely know this is something that is not going to last very long in my household. And now it's really just time to clean up the whole entire kitchen. Today it wasn't as big of a mess. Typically I do cook about 2 or 3 recipes, but today I just wanted something quick and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all the recipes and everything down in the description bar. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.